Huck Watson, and today we're going off trail. Hi, Huck Watson here. I forgot to mention, we're in the Sedona backcountry, and today, Lost Wilson calls our name. And I'm Mick Cowbourne. Hi, I'm Mick Cowbourne, and today we're way out in off wilderness area, and you know, they should really have like a Starbucks out here. I'm almost out. And today, me and Huck are going to conquer that Lost Wilson. Oh, what? That little old thing back there? We're gonna do it. We're gonna conquer it. What do I think about that? It's gonna be a kick in the bag. Or whatever they say. It's done. It's impressive, isn't it? Cool looking. Good thing I have Starbucks. If it wasn't for Starbucks, I don't even know if I'd be over here. I'm kind of getting nervous. Good thing I have Starbucks to calm my nerves. Look, anyways, let's take a look at the map, see how we're gonna do this thing. Right. Trailhead's right here. We're gonna make our way through the Sedona Mountain Wilderness. By Volti Arch, we're gonna continue Sterling's Pass. We're gonna take this wash and we're gonna start climbing the mountain from the backside. That's Lost Wilson. See you there. I know what you're thinking. Are you gonna climb that? That's impossible, Mick Cowbourne. That's too dangerous, Mick Cowbourne. You know how many times I've been told that and I've succeeded? I've conquered mountains, okay? Because I'm Mick Cowbourne and I'm an expert survival in all categories of everything. Why am I in this tree? For high ground. You get a little bit higher, you can pick a better path than what you're... Making our descent up to the mountain. Lost Wilson. We think it's possible. We've been looking at it, scoping it. We think it's possible. But I just also want to remind you, it's very important to stay hydrated. Make sure you bring plenty of water with you. That's why I drink smart water. Drink smart. Water. Hi, Huck Watson here, Mick Cowbourne. We're on our way up Lost Wilson. We decided to stop here at Volti Arch. It's on our way. In 1940s or 30s, there was a plane crash, and they named it after him. That's how they discovered it. His name was Volti, and that's how the road that we got here in my Jeep was named after that too. So, Mick, you have anything to add to that? What? Well, we went through the wrong canyon. We thought it was the way, but it turns out it wasn't. So I brought out my map, making sure, checking the angles and the diameters and the height and the latitude. You want to look at longitude, latitude, and the mile radius of how steep you're going in the terrain. Now, not a lot of people know that, but I do because I'm an expert at mapping and reading maps. So, we're gonna go to another canyon here, real quick. Wait, what? Fold it left. Yeah, who needs a map anyway? So you sure the next canyon's the one with the saddle?
Yeah,
let me see the map.
Pretty sure.
Can I see the map real quick?
What?
Can I see the map real quick?
Oh no, we don't need a map.
Yeah, we do. Where is it?
I know where it is.
What?
Well, as you can see, we're pretty high up here on this mountain. Now, unfortunately, we did not get to Lost Mountain. Made an error in mapping. Not my fault, because I'm an expert mapper. We saw the way for next time, so, you know, we gotta just keep on trucking on. Sometimes, you know, failure sometimes happens, but Not every time, but sometimes you learn from your failure. I heard something.
So that's how you get off Darn Mountain.
I think it's nature's raw, hard, harsh beauty that makes it why I like it so much. Mick, can you help me get up? Mick! Hello? Mick! Hello?
That ought to stay on. Oh, look at this. Obstacle in the way of the Okay, so yeah, when there's blockage in the trail, it's like, what do? For me, Mick Cowbourne, survival expert, I know exactly what to do in any situation. So I'm just about over this log here, and afterwards we're gonna look at some pretty cool plants and wildlife. And it's that easy to get over obstacle when you see one on the trail.
We're in the dense jungle of the Sedona backcountry now. Well, look what we got here, another wildflower. This is the Porchesian forsythia family, and it's people around here call it a wallflower. But the scientist calls it Porchesian forsythia. Look what we have here. You can tell this tree was struck by lightning. You know how I know? That's how. This here is the Western French lilac.
That's not what it's called.
This is the Rajan tree, I guess. I don't know. That's what the book says.
What do we got here? That's a pine cone.
Yeah, but everybody knows that though.
I'm just trying to teach and learn people about it. Well, unfortunately we didn't get it this time, but we made some good groundwork, and we mapped it out. We think we know the way for next time, so it was good surveying and landscaping, which I'm good at. You know, and what they say is without failure there wouldn't be success.
Yeah. Without success, there's failure.
Yeah.